Debit and Credit Online Classroom presents you important tips for attempting CBSE Accountancy Term 2 Examination 2022. We are sure that you have received your date sheet and the accountancy examination falls on 23rd May 2022. We all know that the second term question paper carries the maximum marks of 40. When we analyze question wise and mark wise, we can see that we are having three types of questions, that is 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark questions. Question numbers 1, 2, 3 and 10 carries 2 mark and we don't have any internal choice in this part. Question numbers 4, 5, 6 and 11 carries 3 marks each and there is internal choice for all the 4 questions. Question numbers 7, 8, 9 and 12 carries 5 marks and in that also there is internal choice for one question of part A. When we go through the distribution of questions topic wise, we can see that we are getting questions from partnership accounts, company accounts and NPO in part A. From the partnership accounts, we can see that this term we are having questions from the retirement or death of a partner and dissolution of a partnership firm. And we'll get all the three type of questions, that is type 1, type 2 short questions as well as one long question from this part. From company accounts, this time we are having accounting for debentures. From that topic, we'll get one 3 mark question and one 5 mark question. From accounting for not-for-profit organization chapter, you will get one 2 mark question, one 3 mark question and one 5 mark question. Total marks allotted for analysis of financial statements is 10 and you will get one 2 mark question, one 3 mark question and one 5 mark question. From the sample paper we have seen that 2 mark and 5 mark questions will be from cash flow and 3 mark question will be from common size statement and comparative statement, which is an OR question. So you can attempt the easiest one. Now let us discuss how we can allot time for each question. The maximum time allotted for the question paper as a whole is 2 hours only. We have 2 sections in question paper, part A and part B. We'll get questions from not-for-profit organizations, partnership and company accounts in part A, and in part B, the questions are from analysis of financial statements. From part A, we'll get 9 questions and part B, 3 questions. In part A, out of those 9 questions, 3 questions are of 2 marks each, 3 questions are of 3 marks each, and 3 questions are of 5 marks each. We can allot 6 minutes for 3 questions of 2 mark question and 25 minutes for 3 mark questions and 45 minutes for 5 mark question. And for the part B, we can allot 25 minutes as a whole for 3 questions. Then will get 20 minutes for revision. During revision time, ensure that you have attempted all the questions and written the question number of the answers. Don't forget to put the question numbers properly. That leads to the reduction in marks. Then read the questions and your answers, checking all calculations. Remember the following. During the reading time, first check whether there are 12 questions in the question paper. If any variance is noted, report to the invigilator immediately. There are internal choices in all 3-mark questions and in one 5-mark question. Choose the easy one. Make formats properly, including date column, LF column, etc. Format is compulsory for problems. Don't forget to write account heads like revaluation account, income and expenditure account, partners capital account, etc. Also include DR and CR on the debit and credit side. Don't forget to write question numbers you are answering. Write working notes clearly when asked the questions with instruction. Show your working clearly because working notes also carries marks. If you are a slow writer, if you are a slow writer and not able to finish the paper on time in your school examinations, you must follow the following important tips to be able to finish your paper on time with some revision time on hand. You needn't use pencil and scale to draw formats. You may use the pen itself you are writing with to draw formats. Keep in mind that if the format is not correct, marks will be reduced. You needn't write to and by in ledger accounts. It will save at least 5 minutes of the time in total. Write the narrations of journal entries as short as possible without writing being or for. If you have liked our video, please feel free to share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with the videos on class 12 accountancy. Thank you. Thank you very much.